Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this section 5.3 real quick so I don't leave y'all high and dry on it. So since this is a subtract, we're going to have to change all the following signs. So I'm going to rewrite the first one. Plus 8x squared subtract 8x plus 6. Now changing my signs, negative 4x cubed, negative times negative, 5x squared, negative times positive, negative times a negative. Can y'all still see it? Okay. I started running off, but it'll be okay. 9 subtract 4. Because we always look for the ones that have the same variables, like the same exponents. Same variables, same exponents, same exact thing. So here I have an x squared, and here's an x squared. Positive 8, positive 5. 8 plus 5 is negative 8x, negative 12x. Negative 8 subtract 12, negative 20x. 6 plus 9, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So plus, and now these all have different, they all have the same variable, they're all x, but 3, 2, 1. So that would be it on that one. This one's adding, so I don't have to rewrite it. This is the only x squared right here, so that's where I'm going to start. Then I'll do my normal x's. I have a negative 2 plus 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Then I have 4 and a negative 2, so 4 plus a negative 2, or 4 subtract 2, would just be 2. This one is subtract, so I'm going to rewrite it. So I have 6x squared, subtract 9x, plus 5, plus x squared, negative times positive, subtract 7x, negative times positive, subtract 3. So 6x squared plus x squared, and that would be 1, so 7x squared. Negative 9x, subtract 7x, negative 9 subtract 7 would be negative 16x. Then we have 5 subtract 3, which would be a positive 2. This one is positive, so I don't have to change anything, just combine. So 4x subtract x, or 4x plus negative 1, which would be 3x. And then I have negative 10 and negative 3. So negative 10 plus negative 3, or negative 10 subtract 3, however you want to look at it. Last one on this one, and it is a subtract one, so I'm going to have to rewrite this, and I'll do it right here. So the first one stays the same, a squared b plus 4b squared subtract, I'm not going to have enough room, 21a squared, negative times negative, plus 19a squared b, negative times negative, plus 2b squared. Barely. Okay. So, let's see. This first one is 11ab, but I think it doesn't say to put them in order. But a squared b, b squared, a squared b, b squared. That's the only one that's AB, so I have negative 13a squared b, and this is also a squared b, and that one's positive. So negative 13 plus 19 would be positive 6a squared b. And I have 4b squared plus 2b squared, so 6b squared, and then just this a squared here. Last one on this one, and it's a plus here, so I'm not going to rewrite it. I have negative 3 plus a positive 7, so I'm going to have positive 4. 2 plus 4. 3 plus 3. That's all for 5.3.